This is Rise Like an Eagle, where faith meets perseverance, and your victories are rooted in Christ.
Rise like an eagle, rise like an eagle, rise like an eagle, rise like an eagle.
Each of the people you'll hear about faced crushing setbacks, but in their perseverance, we find echoes of God's promises. What does it mean to overcome with grace? In this short reflection, we look at two stories of resilience, not just through strength, but through purpose. Their lives are proof that even in suffering, God can still write something beautiful.
Beethoven from Bonn, Germany. He was deaf, but never silent. Ludwig van Beethoven was a musical prodigy whose talent earned admiration early on. But in his late 20s, he began losing his hearing, a devastating blow for a composer. Despite the condition worsening until he was completely deaf, Beethoven wrote some of his most beloved pieces during this time, including his Ninth Symphony. He communicated through written notes and embraced an inner world of sound no one else could hear. His defiance against despair and his brilliance reshaped classical music forever. Like Paul, who wrote the New Testament letters from prison, Beethoven's silence became his symphony. Franklin D. Roosevelt, a U.S. president, was told he would never walk again, yet he carried a nation. FDR was born into privilege but faced his greatest challenge at age 39 when he contracted polio, which left him paralyzed from the waist down. Though doctors doubted he'd ever walk again, Roosevelt trained relentlessly and learned to stand with braces. He entered politics undeterred, eventually becoming the 32nd President of the United States. His leadership during the Great Depression and World War II is considered transformational, and he remains a symbol of resilience and hope to millions.
Beethoven and Roosevelt didn't have easy roads, but their stories remind us that even when the world sees limits, God still sees possibility. If you're walking through something difficult today, know this: your journey matters, and you're not walking alone.